Enjoy the video. Hope it's helpful. We decided to go with this Mr. Heater, radiant type heat. Comes with a blower. We got a 100-pound tank out there. Black Friday deal. Got the tank, the blower. We got our line through the wall. Well, there's the blower. It does have a, I guess we have to plug it up, but if the electric goes out, it'd be good to have it to circulate the heat. That looks like a little thermostat. And we went with the 30,000 because 30,000 BTU covers 1,000 square feet. And that's what our basement is about 800. So that should do good. You buy this kit here. It's a regulator. Has the regulator and the 12-foot hose and the connectors. You see it there. Anyway, we ended up getting a 5-foot extension, but we didn't really know if we needed that or not. But anyway, we got her. Now he's got it all hooked up out here. Let me show you. You gotta take that cardboard off of there. There it is going into the, he drilled his hole and got his fittings on. That's the top of the tank. There we go. You can see it a little better. See how it's hooked up. Alrighty, now we're going to go inside and work. But there's the unit. We got to get our tools together and put the legs on it and hook her up. And it looks like you different options mounting it on. Minimum, like sitting on the floor, is 3 inches.
What?
3 inches on the floor.
About 3 inches.
It tells it right here.
Yeah, what's it need to be? That much off
Yeah,
the floor?
3 inches off the floor, 36 inches to the ceiling.
Yeah.
And then 10 foot, 10 inches from the adjoining wall is what it is. Yeah. We got them blocks to set it on. These blocks right here. We'll set it on that. But we got the fitting on there, and then now we're going to put the legs. And got it upside down to do that, but anyway, that's showing you. We're installing the blower, and he knocked the plate out in the back, and then there's a little connection that goes in the back of the blower.
It'll kick the fan on or off, and won't let it come on. Probably
This
worthless.
little this little connection.
It should have been in the thing to begin with, but they didn't.
Hey guys, we finally got it set up. But one thing we had to remember, we had to find out, is right in here, it took like a AAA battery. And it was in that kit that,
Come with it.
well, it was that regulator kit that I showed you earlier. Well, anyway, here we go. We're going to try her out. All right, come here, Anthony. Show you right here. You got your pilot, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 temperatures, and this is your igniter. All right, you turn this on pilot, like that right there, and then let me get over here. We are this one right
You
here.
see where?
And we hit this at the same time. See that light up?
Yeah, it lit.
And that sparked, and that lit that igniter.
All right, now turn her on.
And here in a few minutes, that'll turn bright and orange. And then we go right here and turn it on to whatever temperature you want. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Watch her light. Watch her light up. There she goes.
Then back here, guys, we got the blower. This little switch right here.
Right there.
Hit that.
Yeah.
And it blows out here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. I think this will work real good for us for a backup heat.
Yeah, it's burning real clean too.
Yes. And that blower will circulate that in this basement. And when the electric goes out 3 or 4 days at a time here, hopefully, this will keep us warmer.
Yeah.
With all that up there. But anyway, so far, so good. I think it'll do good.